Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with Zoho Sites. Use the link to Zoho Sites in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Building a website with Zoho Sites is designed to be easy, even for beginners. Here's a simplified breakdown of the process. Before diving in, consider what your website's purpose is and what information you want to convey. This will help you decide on the structure and content of your site. A good idea is to sketch out a sitemap to visualize the different pages and how they'll link together. Head over to Zoho Sites and start your free trial. Zoho Sites offers a variety of pre-designed templates that cater to different purposes, like businesses, portfolios, or blogs. You can browse the selection and pick one that best suits your website's theme. This is where Zoho Sites drag-and-drop builder comes in. You can add elements like text, images, videos, and forms directly to your chosen template. Zoho Sites also provides a style editor that allows you to customize fonts, colors, and layouts to create a unique look for your website. Once you're happy with the design and content, it's time to publish your website and make it live on the internet. Zoho Sites offers options to connect your website to a custom domain name and then publish it for the world to see. Zoho Sites offers a free plan and paid tiers with varying features. Free plan ideal for basic needs or trying out the platform. The starter plan starts at $5 per month if billed annually. It includes features such as 10 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth, 500 megabytes of storage, 5 pages, and a maximum file size of 10 megabytes. The starter plan starts at $17 per month if billed annually. It offers features like unmetered bandwidth, 100 gigabytes of storage, 50 pages, and a maximum file size of 100 megabytes. They also have a plan for agencies at $20 per month if billed annually. Includes everything in starter hassle-free upgrade, 5 sites in the bundle, streamlined billing, and greater flexibility. Don't forget to use the link to Zoho Sites in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.